Hello everyone, welcome to the AquaSync suite of software. Today we are doing a overview of SmokErase. And SmokErase was designed to help people quit smoking. And she's been around in one form of another for probably 12 years. And there were two versions that came out. And then once we started expanding into other areas, we kind of left her by the wayside, but decided to bring her back in 6th generation AquaSync suite of products. And again, so SmokErase is geared completely to help a person stop smoking, okay? And it's done very intuitively, and we target 5 or 6 different areas. So if you're a smoker and you want to ease your way out of it slowly or fast, well, this is the product for you. So from here, you would just simply select a program. So we have curb appetite. So when you are stopping nicotine, your appetite seems to go up a little bit. So this will help curb your appetite. We have inhibiting damaging effects of smoking. So while you are on your road to quitting, we can minimize some of the damaging effects that are going on inside the body. Losing the desire. Lose the desire is another great form. It kind of takes away the craving for cigarettes, and in some instances will make them taste horrible, so you'll stop even quicker. When you stop nicotine, you typically have a tendency to be short with people and everything else that goes through withdrawal. So we included a relaxation program. And then of course, when you're on your way to quitting and then have finally stopped, we have repair damaging effects. So today we're going to go ahead and show you how this one works. This is actually a very beautiful program, different from the others, but utilizing that same core technology. So we'll use the relaxation. So we'll use this program, and of course you have all the attributes that the other one has. You can water prep it, user prep it, nucleated only, or you can run the entire program. And of course it's very fast like the others. Where you put your attention, the intention will follow. So we are now nucleating a glass of water with relaxation. And you'll notice the design, the images are all meant to be very palatable and put you, just the energy from the program, put you in a beautiful, relaxed space to kind of help your road to recovery, your road to stop smoking. And that's it, folks. It's that simple. 3-4 times a day. With each one or however you want it. And SmokErase is no different from the other products in the AquaSync. There are no limitations. You are your own limitation. So use these as you see fit. Don't be afraid to, push yourself in some capacities to, reach that ultimate goal, which is to stop smoking. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.